At SpaceLogic, we were thrilled to work closely with Canberra Hospital to deliver a fully customised STERIRACK solution focused on maximising storage capacity. The hospital required modular and mobile storage, ensuring no loss in capacity while maintaining infection control standards. Our STERIRACK storage and benching solutions were manufactured and assembled off-site, minimising installation time and reducing disruptions. We utilised our colour-coded system to streamline workflows, customising each room for its unique application and maximising efficiency. Collaborating closely with Canberra Hospital and the main contractor Multiplex, SpaceLogic successfully delivered over 1,000 bays of modular storage units, meeting strict timelines with precision and efficiency. Once the final design was approved, on-site delivery was completed within 6 weeks. The installation then followed an accelerated schedule, with all bays installed in less than 6 weeks. It was a testament to our commitment to speed, quality and minimal disruption, a truly remarkable achievement. Canberra Hospital took the initiative to integrate our innovative STERIRACK benching system in their anaesthetic bays. Unlike traditional timber joinery, our modular benches can be moved, added or removed as needed, leading the way in infection control standards and flexible storage. This collaborative project not only enhanced storage efficiency, but set a new benchmark in healthcare infection control. Partner with SpaceLogic today and discover how we can help you make space for care.